Oh my God, you have to be out of breath. Oh, I believe you. You did such a great job. I can't swim like that. Now, relax, take a long deep breath. Are you feeling okay? Yeah? Good. You're a good swimmer. Wow, you're a very good swimmer. What is Logan crying for? Don't cry. Let's eat some.
Home now?
I'm gonna try to give Logan a little bit of food and then I'm going. I have to go. Don't you want to? I thought you wanted to take a bath inside. A shower. See, you can only take a shower later on when I leave. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Oh my God. Oh, did you tell Mommy you were biting me? Kaylin was biting me.
Underwater?
Yeah.
I go underwater.
I know.
That to somebody the other day.
I told her that hurts. She was like, oh, okay. Ah, yeah, yeah. Oh my God. No, she's just playing. Oh, look, Logan's gonna get your hair. He's gonna get your hair. Let's get closer. Ah, look at the baby. Oh no, he's getting the baby's hair. See, he's getting your hair.
Maybe he doesn't like other people in the pool. Maybe like.
No, he's afraid of the splash and stuff. I don't know, really. Oh my God, are you laughing now? Let me see a mermaid. Caitlin, you're gonna get tired. You're gonna get out of breath. Let me see the mermaid. Let me see it. I'm gonna take it. Oh, that's a beautiful mermaid. What's her name?
Mermaid.
Just mermaid? You didn't name her a different one? No?
She's very sparkly.
Oh, okay. I love her hair. She's got a nice hair. Ow. Okay. You're climbing on me?
Come on, let's go.
Let's
With
go.
Mermaid.
Okay, get the mermaid. Yes. Get the mermaid. Ah.
Okay.
Oh, you okay now? Yeah, me too. Okay, I'm gonna get out of the water now.
No.
Yeah, I have to. I need to feed the baby. No, you can stay in the water. I'm gonna get it. You stay, I'll get out. Bye-bye, Logan. Bye-bye, Logan.
I walk in the water.
You didn't walk in the water? That's nice.
I do.
Show me.
Yeah.